Welcome to Dowell UX Living Lab, where innovation meets practicality. Today, we're showcasing the Dowell Random Graph API, a versatile tool that revolutionizes data points generation within a Cartesian plane. Features of Random Graph API. Field random points, generates random points within specified Cartesian plane boundaries. Excel random points, generates random points in a Cartesian plane, customizable by parameters. Random point generation, API ensures points fall within specified plane boundaries. Starting position selection, choose where point generation begins for control over orientation. Radius or number of points selection, flexibility to specify radius or number of points. Use cases. 1. Geospatial analysis, utilize the API to generate random points within a geographical area, facilitating in-depth studies of wildlife distribution patterns. 2. Data simulation and testing, employ the API's capabilities to create randomized datasets, offering invaluable resources for testing the robustness and accuracy of statistical models, machine learning algorithms, or data visualization techniques across diverse scenarios and conditions. 3. Game development, tap into the API's potential to generate dynamic landscapes or procedural dungeons within game environments, enriching gaming experiences with varied terrains, resource distributions, and unpredictable challenges. If you want to learn more for our APIs, please visit our website. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.